Camping with pets can be a fun and rewarding experience for you and your furry friend. Not only does it allow you to spend quality time together in the great outdoors, but it also allows your pet to explore new surroundings and get some exercise. However, it's essential to remember that camping with pets requires extra planning and consideration to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip for all involved. First and foremost, ensure that your pet is up to the camping task. Some pets, especially older or smaller animals, may be unable to handle the physical demands of hiking or spending long periods in a tent. If you're unsure whether your pet is fit for camping, consult your veterinarian or consider taking a shorter, more leisurely trip to test the waters. Planning is essential once you've determined that your pet is ready for a camping adventure. First, research the campsite or national park you'll be visiting to see if they have any specific rules or regulations regarding pets. For example, some camps may not allow pets or restrict where they can go or what they can do. It's also a good idea to check with the local ranger station or park headquarters to discover potential hazards that your pet might encounter, such as wildlife or poisonous plants. When packing for your trip, don't forget to bring all the necessary supplies for your pet, including food, water, a leash, a collar with identification tags, and any medications they may be taking. It's also a good idea to bring a portable water dish and a few plastic bags for waste disposal. If you spend a long outdoors, consider investing in a portable shade shelter or canopy to protect your pet from the sun. Once you arrive at the campsite, keep your pet on a leash. Not only is this a requirement at many camps, but it's also essential for your pets and other campers' safety. It's also a good idea to keep a close eye on your pet and ensure they don't get into trouble, such as chasing after wildlife or eating something they shouldn't. Camping with pets can be a fun and rewarding experience for you and your furry friend if you plan and take the necessary precautions. With extra planning and consideration, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable trip for all involved. 5 suggestions for safe camping with pets. Leash laws and campsite rules. Many campsites and national parks have specific rules and regulations regarding pets, including leash laws and designated areas where pets are allowed. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these rules and follow them to ensure your pets and other campers' safety. Wildlife. Camping in the great outdoors means you and your pet may encounter wildlife, such as bears, snakes, or other potentially dangerous animals. It's essential to keep your pet on a leash and closely supervise them to prevent them from getting into trouble. Poisonous plants. Some plants, such as poison ivy or oak, can harm pets if ingested or come into contact with their skin. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the plants that grow in the area you'll be camping in and take precautions to prevent your pet from coming into contact with them. Heat exhaustion. If camping in hot weather, ensuring your pet stays hydrated and has access to shade is vital. Signs of heat exhaustion in pets include heavy panting, lethargy, and loss of appetite. If you notice any of these signs, provide your pet with water and a fantastic place to rest and seek veterinary care.